didn't you have an important meeting today?
Oh, I do. Honey, you're on mute. I'm in the shed. I'm ready for the holidays. Hey, everybody. What's this call all about that's so important? I had to interrupt my beach vacation. Hi, family. It's so good to see your faces. Now that everybody's here, I wanted to plan our family holiday card. I'm going to let her in. Hey, guys. Mitchell, I saw you had a call on your calendar. I had to join. How can we make this go viral? Excuse me. We're here to plan our family holiday card. Somebody mute her. I can send you a like. I support you, Mitchell. I just removed her. Everybody smile. 3, 2, 1. I got it. We're going to be the best in the neighborhood.